From a star that flickers in eerie ways to an invisible monster lurking near our galaxy. Here are 10 of the most mysterious objects in space. Number 10. Tabby's star. The dimming of a star, 1,500 light-years away, has been throwing scientists off their game since 2012. Officially known as KIC, 8,462,852, the star has been dimming in strange and sporadic patterns, making irregular dips in brightness that just don't make any sense. Some parts of the star get dimmer, while others remain bright. Then there are these long periods of time where the starlight is just completely absent. At first, scientists thought it could be an eclipse by a swarm of comets passing between us and the star. But the dips in brightness were far too regular for that hypothesis. Astronomers then wondered if it could be a cloud of dust blocking our view of the star, or a cloak of some kind of alien megastructure. There are lots of crazy theories out there about this phenomenon, but the truth is, we simply have no idea what's going on with Tabby's star. Number 9. Oumuamua. This interstellar visitor was detected way back in 2017. It was the very first object ever seen to come from outside our solar system. The weird thing about it is that it looks like a giant cigar, which has led some astronomers to believe that it's an alien spacecraft of some kind. Its shape is highly unusual for a comet or asteroid. It was initially thought to be a chunk of nitrogen ice, but that would require a frigid temperature of -240 degrees Celsius, which is not what the research team found. When it comes to this interstellar object, it's really hard to say. What we do know is that Oumuamua accelerated inexplicably while it was passing by Earth. This has led some experts to suggest that the mysterious acceleration was caused by an alien propulsion system. Others disagree, saying that it could be explained by natural phenomena that we don't fully understand yet. Either way, we may never know for sure. No. 8. The boat's void. Imagine walking into a bar and seeing all your friends standing around talking to each other while you left all alone in a corner. That's kind of how we feel when we look at the boat's void. A vast, empty space in the universe that measures a staggering 330 million light-years across. The region of space, sometimes called the cosmic desert, contains only a handful of galaxies and clusters of galaxies, which is weird because it should actually contain hundreds. It's like the whole area was somehow evacuated or blown apart. Scientists have a few ideas about what could be happening. It could be a place where dark energy is at its strongest, tearing the universe apart from within. Or it could be an area where the Big Bang never reached far enough to develop galaxies. Whatever the reason, this bizarre feature of our universe has puzzled astronomers, who can figure out why it is such a lonely stretch of nothingness. No. 7. The WOW signal. On August 15, 1977, an Ohio-based radio telescope was scanning the skies. When it picked up a 72-second burst of radiation from deep space, it was a never-before-seen phenomenon that has never been repeated since. Someone at the observatory wrote, "Wow," next to the blip on the readouts, which went down in history. Ever since that day, astronomers have been trying to figure out where the signal came from. It had the characteristics of a radio wave, but lasted way longer than any known astronomical phenomenon. It might have been a miscalculation by the telescope. It might have been interference from human technology, a glitch in the equipment, or it might have been something extraterrestrial. To this day, no one knows. And the mystery only continues to grow with time. No. 6 black holes. These colossal objects have fascinated astronomers for decades. Their invisible exist in the darkest pits of space, and are surrounded by matter and energy that's being pulled in at terrifying speeds. We know a lot about them theoretically, but the truth is, we haven't actually seen one. Sure, we can see the effects of a black hole on the objects around it, but we've never gotten close enough to one to actually witness it for ourselves. The only image of a black hole ever captured was taken in 2019. It shows M87**, a huge black hole at the center of a galaxy 55 million light-years from Earth. The image was created by combining data from 8 radio telescopes around the world. Even though this was the first image of a black hole ever captured, it told us very little about what's happening at the heart of these mysterious objects. The giant orange ring is the point of no return, the event horizon. Everything inside is trapped forever, including light. Whatever happens inside the event horizon, we can never know. It's one of the biggest mysteries in the universe. No, 5. Dark matter. Here's a scary fact for you. You're probably sitting in a room right now full of matter that you can't see, dark matter. In fact, dark matter makes up a whopping 85% of the matter in the universe. So why can't we see it? It's simple. It doesn't emit any light or energy. It's invisible. What we do know about dark matter is that it has a gravitational pull, and that it plays a big role in holding galaxies together. Without dark matter, the universe couldn't function. Galaxies would spin apart and fly away into the great beyond. We know dark matter is out there, but we've never detected it directly. We still don't know what it's made of. Some think it's made of exotic particles. Others think it's some kind of energy. And still, others believe it could be evidence that our understanding of physics is wrong. Whatever it is, we have a lot to learn. Number 4. The Great Attractor. Something strange is happening to our galaxy. It's being pulled along with countless others toward a massive gravitational anomaly that scientists call the Great Attractor. The mysterious force is so strong that it's even warping the space-time continuum. It's like an invisible monster hiding somewhere in the darkness, reaching out with its tentacles to drag everything toward it. While the Great Attractor does sound like a horror movie, it's actually a fascinating scientific mystery. We know our Milky Way isn't the only galaxy being influenced by the gravitational field. Hundreds of millions of other galaxies are heading in the same direction. But what's strange is that the Great Attractor is located in the exact opposite direction of the constellation of the Great Rift. That doesn't make any sense. How can something be attracting galaxies while being located so far away in the opposite direction? The answer is simple. The Great Attractor isn't located anywhere. It's hidden behind the Milky Way. We can't see it, but its gravitational pull is real. It's pulling us toward an unknown destination. No. 3. Fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts are brief, intense emissions of radio waves that last just a few milliseconds. They come from deep space and they're incredibly powerful, packing more energy than the sun gives off in a year. Since they were discovered in 2001, astronomers have been puzzled by these mysterious bursts. Where do they come from? What causes them? Are they natural or artificial? These are the big questions in the field of astrophysics today. Some researchers believe fast radio bursts occur when a neutron star or a black hole rapidly accelerates a cloud of gas or dust. Others think they're the result of pulsars spinning at incredible speeds. But there's still a lot that we don't know. For example, some fast radio bursts repeat over and over again, while others appear only once. If they're caused by neutron stars, why do some repeat and others don't? The answer could unlock one of the greatest mysteries of our universe. Number 2. Quasars. These strange beacons of light are some of the most powerful objects in the universe. They're brighter than entire galaxies, and they emit tremendous amounts of energy. We know quasars are powered by supermassive black holes that feed on clouds of dust and gas. But what's so mysterious about them is that they were around so soon after the Big Bang. The earliest quasars we've seen date back to just a few billion years after the universe formed. They were shining brighter than anything we can imagine. How did they form so quickly? We have no idea. Astrophysicists are baffled by these ancient energy sources, and we're unlikely to solve the puzzle anytime soon. After all, we've never even seen one up close. Every quasar we've ever witnessed is extremely distant, and the light we see has been distorted by billions of years of space-time. Number 1. The dark flow. Our universe is constantly expanding. Galaxies are drifting away from each other, and the light from distant stars is being stretched to the point where it's no longer visible. But here's the weird part. While everything is flying apart, some galaxies are actually moving toward each other. It's like they're being drawn together by an invisible force. Scientists have been scratching their heads over this phenomenon for years. What's causing the dark flow? Is it another sign of dark energy? Could there be something else in the universe that we don't know about? Some researchers have even suggested that the dark flow could be evidence of parallel universes. After all, if the universe is flat and infinite, it would have to end somewhere. And what better place for it to end than in another universe? The truth is, no one knows what's causing the dark flow. It's one of the biggest mysteries in modern astronomy, and it's likely to remain unsolved for many years to come. Thanks for watching. Which of these amazing space oddities intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.